A lot of woodworkers are still grinding away with the same gear they've had for a decade. It gets the job done, sometimes, but not without a fight. Misaligned putts, clamps that slip at the worst moment, and setups that eat up more time than the actual project. Sound familiar? Well, 2026 is bringing some seriously smart solutions to those everyday frustrations. Today we're walking through some of the most exciting new woodworking tools hitting the market this year. These aren't gimmicks, they're practical, well-engineered tools built for real work. Whether you're kitting out a new shop or thinking about upgrading your current setup, stick around. You won't want to miss these. Up next is the Microjig Grid Router Guide. And if you use MatchFit dovetail clamps in your shop, this thing is a game changer. Setting up a clamping grid normally means a lot of careful measuring and marking. This guide eliminates all of that. It automatically spaces your dovetail tracks in perfect 4-inch by 4-inch grids every single time. Compatible with most routers running 4 to 7-inch bases and 1 to 3 horsepower motors, it's easy to dial in your depth and let the guide handle the rest. It scales up to any panel size too, from compact shop sleds all the way to full 4x8 sheets. If you're doing a lot of glue-ups, assembly work, or precision joinery, this guide makes your whole workflow faster and a whole lot more repeatable. First on the list is the Milescraft 1337 LockMate, a door lock installation jig that takes the headache out of a job that trips up even experienced DIYers. Drilling misaligned holes or blowing out a door panel is a lot easier than people think, but this jig is built to prevent exactly that. It ships with 2 cobalt alloy bimetal hole saws, a 2 1/8 inch and a 1 inch, capable of cutting through wood and metal doors alike, whether solid or hollow core. The jig adjusts for standard door thicknesses between 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inches and accommodates both common backset sizes, 2 3/8 and 2 7/4. A stepped drill guide bushing protects the jig body from wear, and the extra long 1/4-inch pilot bit reduces tear out by entering the door from the far side first. 2 included screws hold the jig rock solid while you drill. It's the kind of tool that turns a stressful afternoon into a quick, confident job. Here's a tool that might not look exciting, but will quietly become one of your most used shop accessories, the FitFinder Half-Gauge Upgrade Kit. It builds on the original FitFinder gauge by turning it into a full system for locating and transferring the exact center of any piece of stock. 4 specialized tips are included, each serving a different purpose. The inside tip finds the center of negative V-shapes, the outside tip handles positive V-shapes and rounded stock, a marking wheel scribes directly onto the material, and an up tip lets you set center points to the underside of bits and blades. This makes setting router bit height, blade depth, or aligning fences on a table saw, bandsaw, or drill press far more straightforward. Tips swap quickly with the included P4 adapter, and everything organizes neatly in its own tray. Next up is the MatchFit Dovetail Ratchet Clamp, a clamp designed around the idea that your setup shouldn't shift the moment your back is turned. The AP spring holds the arm right where you position it, even when the clamp is flipped upside down. That alone saves a surprising amount of frustration. The ratchet mechanism locks in just 3 steps and stays locked through sanding, carving, and vibration-heavy tasks without budging. A large, molded clamping face protects your workpiece surface while keeping pressure even. It drops into any standard 12mm by 8mm T-slot and works wherever you can cut a MatchFit dovetail groove, making it incredibly versatile for all kinds of shop setups. And for router table users, the Rout-R-Lift 3.5 XT from Jessem Tool Company is one of the most refined lifts on the market right now. Smooth, accurate height adjustment is everything when you're doing repeat routing tasks, and this lift delivers on both counts thanks to its double-sealed bearing spindle system. Raising or lowering the motor is effortless, and the adjustments hold precisely where you set them. Durability is built into the design too. Steel shafts are hydraulically pressed into oversized mounts and fastened to the top plate at multiple points, creating a rigid structure that handles heavy loads without flexing. One of the most convenient features is above-the-table bit changes, so you never have to dig underneath to swap cutters. Precision machined in Canada, it's built for serious workshop standards. The HP8 V2 mini block plane from Bridge City Toolworks is one for those who care deeply about the feel and performance of the tools in their hands. This updated take on the original HP8 design brings several refinements that make a noticeable difference during use. The body features softer, more flowing curves that settle naturally into your grip, something you really appreciate when trimming edges or fine-tuning joinery for long stretches. The blade clamping system has been redesigned for more reliable hold and easier adjustments, so you get a consistent cut from pass to pass. There's also an adjustable skew angle that lets you control exactly how the blade engages the wood, opening the door to smoother cuts and cleaner finishes on delicate surfaces. It's a precision-first tool through and through. If you want to add box joints to your router table's capabilities, the Jessem Box Joint Jig is a clean and reliable way to do it. The jig mounts directly into the miter track and converts your router table into a dedicated box joint cutting station. It handles 3 joint sizes, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and a 1/2 inch, giving you flexibility across small jewelry boxes all the way up to larger furniture projects. The sliding mechanism moves smoothly across the table, making each cut feel controlled and effortless. Interchangeable fences match the key size you're cutting, and a built-in bit guard keeps your hands clear during operation. It's a well-thought-out jig that makes a traditionally tricky joint genuinely accessible. The Jessem Quick Angle Square is a layout tool that quietly solves several small frustrations at once. The most immediately useful feature might be the built-in bubble level, no more grabbing a separate tool just to check alignment. The patented Flex Grip adds an ergonomic, non-slip surface that slightly flexes to grab onto softer materials, keeping the square steady while you mark. For angle work, an adjustable angle stop lets you lock in preset positions with a simple push and snap back to 90 degrees just as fast. Common detent angles, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees are already built in, covering the angles you reach for most often. Machined from full hard stainless steel with laser-etched markings, it's a layout tool built to last a lifetime. Wood turners know the grind, literally, of keeping traditional tools sharp enough to perform well. The Rout-R Carbide wood lathe tools take a different approach entirely by using replaceable carbide inserts that you simply rotate when one edge dulls. Carbide is significantly harder than standard steel, so you get smoother passes through hardwood with less tear out and less sanding cleanup afterward. The set covers every phase of a turning project with a rougher, finisher, detailer, and hollow tool. Because carbide tools are more forgiving of technique, beginners can achieve solid results early without mastering bevel angles first. Whether you're turning large bowls or smaller decorative pieces, this set keeps you cutting longer and sharpening less. Quality crosscut sled can transform how you work at the table saw, and the Rockler Table Saw Crosscut Sled is one of the better options available this year. It handles precise crosscuts and miter cuts from 90 degrees down to 45 degrees, making it well suited for furniture, cabinetry, and any project where accuracy really matters. The 1/2 inch phenolic base slides smoothly in standard miter slots without swelling or warping the way plywood can over time. An extruded aluminum fence with a telescoping extension stretches from 25 inches to over 38 inches to support longer stock. A micro-adjust flip stop gives you repeatable cut lengths, and an adjustable miter bar combined with a hold-down clamp keeps your workpiece locked in tight. It's a complete and well-built sled that improves both safety and accuracy at the saw. Small in size but seriously capable, the Bosch PR20 EVS Compact Router is one of the most reliable options in its class. The 1-horsepower motor spins anywhere from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM, and the variable speed control lets you match the pace to the material and the task. Bosch's constant response circuitry monitors the load and automatically compensates when the bit hits denser wood, keeping your speed steady and your cut smooth. The soft rubberized palm grip with finger pockets keeps the router comfortable and controlled even during longer sessions. Depth adjustments are fast and intuitive, handling both coarse changes and fine micro adjustments without fuss. It accepts standard quarter-inch bits up to about 1 3/16 inches in diameter, and a quick clamp base system speeds up base swaps. From decorative edging to mortising to intricate patterns, this compact router handles it all with confidence. After roughing and shaping, the finishing stage is where a project truly comes together, and the Easy Wood Tools finisher is built specifically to make that stage shine. Its Carbide cutter is ground from the company's own proprietary formula, producing a sharper and more durable edge than many off-the-shelf options. The round insert glides across the wood surface and leaves a finish so smooth that it can look almost hand-planed. At about 12.5 inches overall with a 9-inch maple handle, the tool balances well in hand during extended sessions. There's no complicated setup, it's ready to go straight from the box. It works equally well on bowls and spindle projects, handling tight detail areas and broad surface passes with equal ease. For turners who found the finishing stage tedious, this tool makes it something to look forward to. Ripping large panels with a handheld circular saw without a guide is a recipe for crooked cuts and wasted material. The Milescraft 1409 track saw system fixes that problem by pairing your standard 7 1/4 inch circular saw with a 50-inch aluminum guide rail that keeps every cut perfectly straight. Extra rail sections can be linked together for longer panels, and the rigid design prevents the flexing or chatter that throws cuts off course. A bright cutting strip shows you exactly where the blade will travel, and anti-friction pads let the saw glide smoothly along the track. Adjustable tension controls let you fine-tune the feel of the movement to match your preference. Its slim profile cuts through materials up to 1 3/4 inches thick, handling doors, thick boards, and sheet goods alike. It's a budget-friendly alternative that delivers track saw results with a saw you likely already own. Getting into wood turning doesn't have to mean a steep learning curve, and the Define Wood Turning Toolkit is designed with that in mind. It includes rougher, finisher, detailer, and hollow tools, all equipped with carbide inserts that rotate to a fresh cutting edge when they dull. A knurled collet quick change system means swapping between tools takes seconds with no wrenches or loose screws to deal with. Each tool in the set is balanced for comfortable handling throughout a full turning session. Because the Carbide cutters don't demand precise bevel angles, beginners can focus on developing technique rather than fighting their tools. Experienced turners will appreciate the faster pace and reduced sharpening time. It's a kit that makes the craft more enjoyable at every skill level. Getting 4 perfectly square corners during a glue-up without any help is genuinely difficult, and the Wen Crew corner clamps make that challenge much more manageable. This 4-piece set features clamps measuring 5.5 inches square, built from anodized aluminum that resists rust and holds up to regular shop use. Each clamp includes a 140mm scale to help you position pieces accurately before locking them down. Boards up to 1 9/16 inches thick fit within the clamp's range, covering plywood, dimensional lumber, and most standard materials. Importantly, these clamps hold your pieces in alignment, while separate clamps provide the actual clamping pressure, keeping the geometry right without distorting your assembly. They work on both inside and outside corners, adding flexibility across different project types. Cabinet carcasses, picture frames, storage boxes, they all go together cleaner with these in the mix. The JWL 1015 VSS Mini Wood Lathe punches well above its size, making it a strong pick for beginners and smaller shops that don't want to compromise on performance. Its 10 by 15-inch working capacity keeps the footprint compact while still handling a meaningful range of turning projects. The half-horsepower motor covers 3 speed ranges: 200 to 1150, 300 to 1750, and 600 to 3600 RPM, giving you the control to rough out large blanks or refine delicate details on the same machine. Heavy cast iron construction damps vibration and keeps everything stable under load. 24 indexing positions support decorative work like fluting, and a built-in LED light keeps your project well lit. With 15.5 inches between centers and an improved belt tension system for fast speed changes, this lathe is ready to work right out of the crate. Good measurement tools rarely get the credit they deserve, but the Violet Fox woodworking ruler is one worth talking about. Made from red anodized aluminum with laser-etched markings, it holds up to daily shop use without fading or wearing down. It comes in 6, 8, and 12-inch sizes and includes both metric and imperial scales. Flipped over, it shows imperial measurements on both sides with markings down to 1/32 of an inch for fine detail work. A sliding stop locks in measurement points, thumb screws keep everything secure across multiple boards, and an integrated notch at the end makes drawing consistent reference lines quick and effortless. It might look simple, but the precision and durability it brings to everyday measuring tasks makes it far more valuable than basic alternatives. Many professionals keep one on them at all times, and once you use it, it's easy to see why. Moving up from a basic faceplate to a proper chuck changes the whole turning experience, and the Defiant wood-turning chuck set is a solid way to make that step. The precision, self-centering four-jaw design grips evenly on all sides, eliminating the wobble that causes problems on bowls and spindle work alike. The package includes the chuck body, 2 sets of jaws, a gear key, an Allen wrench, and a screw chuck for specialized mounting situations. Tight manufacturing tolerances keep runout minimal, so your workpiece stays balanced and true throughout the turning process. The chuck fits standard 1-inch by 8-thread spindles, and an included adapter extends its compatibility further. Because the jaws center automatically, getting your workpiece mounted accurately becomes much faster and more consistent. And that wraps up our look at 21 of the most exciting woodworking tools coming out in 2026. Whether you're after more precision, more speed, or just the less frustrating shop experience, there's something on this list worth adding to your arsenal. If you found this useful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tell us in the comments which tool caught your eye the most. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.